Aloha guys! Today we are going to be looking at the Hobbymate Lipo storage bag. It is fireproof and has a zipper and Velcro. And it is something that I believe that everyone that is in this hobby needs to have, as we all know that lipos are very volatile and they can catch on fire, and that could be a danger to your house or to wherever you're charging your batteries. So these fireproof lipo bags are very great to have, either for while you're charging or for storage. I really like this one because it's really big and it can fit a lot of lipos in it. It is about 8 inches across and about 6.5 inches tall and approximately 6 inches deep. And in metric, that is 20 centimeters by 16 by about 16 centimeters. So it's a really big lipo bag. It is big enough to hold a lot of lipos. As you see here, there is a Velcro strap that will hold it in place, and then this nice heavy-duty zipper around the edge. There's also a warning on the back just so people know that it is with lipos and that it can be dangerous and can catch on fire. There have been some people that do tests on this and actually catch a lipo on fire inside the bag, and it holds the fire completely in. Smoke gets out, but it does a really good job. So these are important to have. Some people store their lipos in ammo boxes, but I feel that a bag like this with a little carrying handle makes it easier to bring with you to the field or wherever you're going. Inside I have quite a few lipos. It fits way more than I actually have. As you see, I have the more full-size ones down here at the bottom. That's about 5 across, almost 6, and then you can stack them on top. And then I throw all my other small lipos down there. So it's holding well over 20 lipos at the moment and can hold even more. As you see, there's plenty of space. So it is a bag that anyone can use, especially if you have a lot of lipos, and it's not that expensive at 14 bucks. I think it's very nice to have. It's nice that there's zippers on both ends, so you can be charging, if you have 2 chargers, you can be charging lipos inside the bag with the zippers there and the Velcro there, just to protect yourself in case a lipo catches fire, and it's a great way to store. Also, if you are going to be going on a trip and you don't want to just leave your lipos sitting out because of the chance of a fire, put them in one of these bags and you can throw it in the oven. Make sure the oven's off, of course, but it will help protect your house, and there is a big danger with these lipos. Most people don't realize that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I hope that you guys keep safe. Get a lipo bag or a nice fireproof way to store them. Anyway, have a wonderful day, and aloha.